Morning. Why do you go to Mass? Some of you even daily. Bakit kayo nagsisimba? Some may probably go to Mass because it is a duty. Like for example, it's Sunday obligation. Mortal sin pag hindi nagsimba. So, they go to Mass because it is a duty. Some of you may go to Mass because you have something to ask for. Like for example, yung mga kukuha ng board exam, yung kukuha ng bar exam, yung mga humihingi ng pabor, promotion, yung nagdadasal para tumama sa loto. Yan. So, they go to Mass because they need something. They are asking the Lord to grant them their prayers. Is that bad? I don't think so. Because we also need to show that we are in God's hands and that we need God. But I hope that many of us go to Mass because we want to show our gratitude. Nagpupunta tayo sa misa, dumadalo tayo sa misa, nagpupunta tayo sa simbahan sapagkat nagpapasalamat tayo sa Diyos. In the gospel, a woman went to Mass in quotation marks because Jesus was having dinner. He was having dinner in the house of a Pharisee. There, he was reclining at table. There was a meal. So parang yung babae nagsimba. Dala-dala niya yung alabaster flask of ointment. Bakit? Hindi bilang obligasyon. Nagpunta yung babae kay Jesus, hindi dahil ito'y kanyang duty. Nagpunta yung babae kay Jesus, hindi dahil meron siyang hihingin. Nagpunta yung babae kay Jesus sapagkat meron na siyang tinanggap. Hindi siya nagsisimba dahil meron siyang hihingin. Siya'y nagsisimba dahil siya'y may tinanggap. At dahil sa tinanggap niyang pagpapatawad, siya'y nagpapasalamat sa Diyos. Tumatanaw siya ng utang na loob. It was an expression of her gratitude for the forgiveness she has received. My dear brothers and sisters, we may have different reasons for going to Mass, but I hope one of these reasons will always be to thank the Lord. Nagpapakabait tayo, hindi dahil may hinihingi tayo sa Diyos. Nagpapakabait tayo sapagkat naging mabait ang Diyos sa atin. Amen.